Friends, hello. Hi, this is Sanjay Agrawal. I'm with Amrita.
Hi.
So, Amrita is also, she has a short name, I think, Ansi.
AMC.
Amsi, okay. I thought it's Ansi. It's,
AMC, AMSI.
okay, so what is it? It's an American.
No, nothing like that. It's just my given name by my cousin. So I call him Nancy, he calls me AMC.
Oh, wow. So that's just, we've come to know the secret today.
No, my younger sister wanted me to put this name as AMC, not by Amrita.
Okay.
So she passed away like 5 months back.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, and because of that, her only I am here today. And she pushed me to start the painting professionally. So 2 years back she started this, and my art page goes with the name of Whispering Walls. So on social media you can check with Whispering Walls on Instagram and Facebook. So this exhibition has been dedicated to my sister.
Okay, and what was her name?
Gati Sanjay.
Okay, and what happened? Kya hua uनके साथ?
Let's not talk about it
Okay,
because
so,
I will not be able
yeah,
to.
no, that's fine. Because we wanted to, it's like, as she said that she's been inspired by her sister. So everybody in life, they get some sort of light. अगर आप रात को सोते हैं तो कई बार आपके माइंड में थॉट्स आते हैं. And she's a good artist, as we see. This is a painting. This is possibly Buddha.
Yes, that's Buddha. It's called Inner Peace.
It's called Inner Peace.
So Buddha is like is the messenger for spirituality, and it overcomes the power of fear.
Okay.
So I have shown like people nowadays just run around इधर-उधर से भागते रहते हैं हर चीज के पीछे. So Buddha says it gives us calmness and peace. And the leaves over here, which I have shown it gives you the sense of belongingness,
okay.
And it takes you closer to the nature.
So any particular leaves you want to show?
No, nothing.
General,
yes, it's general.
Okay.
General, because in city like Mumbai, it's like it's the running city, the city of dreams or whatever. But we get away from the nature.
Right.
So it's little thing to go towards the nature.
Okay, wonderful. And I think you were here the day before.
Yes.
When the chairman of the gallery had come. Yes. So he had some comments. So how do you want to improve on this?
So he had told that painting should be mixture of colors, should be mixture of 2-3 colors or blend of colors. So he had appreciated this Buddha.
Yes.
And because I have mixed this color, this is not one single color. So I have mixed this three colors and made this one grey color. So he appreciated. So I am so happy and honored to meet Mr. Padamshri Vimal ji. So and other artists also who had come on the inauguration day. And I'm so grateful because of Smita and Tushar who have brought this exhibition together as Autumn Symphonies. So this is my first group show exhibition. So I'm happy and delighted because I'm not expecting much out of it, but this is where we relate and get networking to other fellow artists also and get to know so many things and learn so many things about different genre of art.
Right. I want to also introduce that she comes from Bombay, Mumbai jo bolte hain. It is Mumbai Devi. It could be anything. You have the Gateway of India there, and you have Marine Drive, jo hum pehle discuss kar rahe the. And I think everybody here in Delhi welcomes them because she's come with her family. Yes. Her husband works in the corporate sector, and he's taken a break. I'm feeling so good that he's giving so much time to his family, especially his wife. Because men will say, look, I don't have time. How can I leave? How can I leave my work?
He's a great supporter right from the beginning.
Yes, so I can see it in his eyes. The specs he wears, some special kind of specs he wears.
So he, my son, my mother had also come in the beginning, and they are like great support. Wow. Even in my in-laws, nobody has stopped me from doing anything. So along with my paintings, I also play cricket. Yes. So they don't
stop. You
play
cricket?
Yeah, I play
so it's
cricket.
what mixed, or is it only the girls, boys?
So it's like parents cricket. Like
parents
for women is different, for men it's different.
Okay.
So women.
So you're in the batting?
batsman, bowler, both and
All
fielder.
rounded.
So I also been the captain sometimes for the tournaments, for the matches. That's a different thing. That's my hobby. Even this was my hobby, which turned into profession.
Okay. So we have your son who's also here. So please come join us. Be here. He's wearing some smart t-shirts, you know. Uska likha hai, born without, what does this say? Born without rules. He says he's born without rules.
Yeah.
So, how do you feel about your mother when you came
He
here?
himself is also a painter. I mean, when I started, even he gets inspired and do. So he has done like 8 to 10 paintings on canvas. So
आप क्या करते हैं बेटा? What do you do?
these
Similar? Okay, so you were in which class? 6th. And you're in Don Bosco?
Yeah.
Okay, that is at Matunga, Bombay. I have lived in Bombay, तो मेरे को थोड़ा मालूम है, नहीं तो पता नहीं चलेगा कौन कहाँ से है. Don Bosco Delhi में भी है. So you want to come to Delhi? How do you find Delhi? No? Don't like Delhi?
I like Delhi.
You like Delhi? So बोलो मम्मी पापा को कि like let's shift to Delhi. No?
Do you want to? No.
Okay, why? भेलपुरी उधर है, इधर नहीं है. इधर पाव भाजी है, मैं आज पाव भाजी खाया. You know, today I was having. So what does you support your mother when she does work? No. Okay, why?
I don't know. I'm busy with my own things.
Yeah, I saw you were so busy. He's sitting outside the gallery and he had some, I don't know what he was playing because I didn't want to interfere in his life. And I'm sure that you were not playing those dangerous games like PUBG. You were young. So what you were playing, you want to share? क्या खेल रहे थे आप? क्या कर रहे थे आप? You were doing some
I was
work?
playing a game called Minecraft.
Minecraft? Oh wow. So some level you reached?
No.
Nothing?
Not yet.
Okay. So आप अपने पापा को भी बुला लीजिए इधर एक बार. Please come.
Come, Dada.
Yeah, please come. Because they are a family, so it's good, you know. The family, because she will get support from him. They've taken time to come to Delhi, all of them. I'm like every day thinking, how can a person, you know, come? But it's good, and they are here. How do you find it? This art exhibition.
I'm amazed the kind of talent they have it here. I just told Amrita we have to game up our game.
Yes.
Amazing talent, amazing genres, amazing artists, and different personalities we come meet. So learned a lot. She's taken a lot of inputs from here, and she's going to put it all in and probably be much more upper level than next time.
Wow, that's good, you know. And I think
She was always a competitive person. She has played, she's won many acts. She is a cricketer, she's an amazing homemaker. She's an amazing district level basketball player.
Wow, basketball?
She's in karate champion.
Basketball, sorry. No basketball.
Volleyball player. She plays amazing cricket. She takes good care of her son. She takes good care of my parents. She's totally regular.
That's wonderful. So I think any women, we did interview for Jyotsna ji. So, and we've done interview of so many women. Mantasha say, when I saw her, you know, and her painting, so I was also feeling inspired. And she studied from Jamia. You've been there, so you must have heard of it. जब मैंने journalism में admission try करा, so I was not aware of Jamia myself, you know, because we had fear. When we were small, you know, we were in school level, so we had fear. So we said कि we'll only go to those places जहाँ पे ragging नहीं होगा. And these were the places we thought कि शायद ragging होता होगा. You know, there will be that. But later on, as I grew up and as I got into journalism, so Mantasha, and I think she's the only artist like Zoa. You know,
She's my classmate. She's my classmate.
She's the classmate. मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि I want to tell the viewer. अभी Amrita's interview will be put online. There's so many other artists. Arun Bora is sitting. Principal साहब भी आ गए हैं. And सर एक और हैं जो golden, you know, कर रहे हैं. मैंने देखा कि इनकी जो family comment आता है. I read all the comments. You know, normally any person will not read anything. I make it a point कि I go to every means तो इनके फादर ने शायद इनके
नहीं फादर नहीं मदर ने कमेंट किया था मदर ने
किया
फर्स्ट टाइम फर्स्ट कमेंट
and nobody's bothered likes, nobody's bothered dislikes. These don't make. Yeah. So, but I've seen in Zoa's case also. So I was feeling they are more, educated. जो लोग comment कर रहे हैं, and the people who don't want to comment, who think this is just another video, they will means negative comment करना तो आएंगे, but positive comment, because I always somebody tells me in my videos I've got one Ruma Devi ji's where continuously comment आते हैं, and everybody says कि हमें इनका number दीजिए, हम लोग को भी सिलाई करना है, हमको भी she's a brand ambassador for Tribes India.
Oh.
Yeah. So actually I was just wanting, I took up this because so that लोगों को सीखने को मिले कि it's not that कि you don't comment. Yeah. When I share these videos to my friends, I shared this video, these like all the other artists with some other senior artists. So Smita told me possibly they had come in yesterday. They were possibly interested to buy also, because these some artists, they are into a different way of working. They buy stuff and they sell. They're doing he's an architect possibly, and last Smita. So he's an architect, so they buy a lot of what you call paintings. So मैंने उनको कल मेरे को दिमाग में आया, because Smita, she's also Smita, that other lady, a friend of mine. So when I was typing Smita in the WhatsApp, so that Smita came out. So I go, oh God, her husband's an artist, he's got long hair, So I want to, actually why I started this was to promote the artists all over India. And यहाँ पे मेरे को opportunity, I get an opportunity to meet everybody.
Yeah, this is a good platform you're giving to all the artists to voice out your opinion.
And I have tried to, means my thing is कि सबको एक platform इकट्ठा, वो भी interconnect हो. जो आप लोग ने बोला कि मैंने देखा इधर एक कुछ अच्छा atmosphere है, that all of you are meeting each other. नहीं तो ये होता ना कि we are going to, why should we share our things with another person? Everybody otherwise, they're playing hide and seek.
Yeah.
But आप लोग का देखा मैंने, it's build up a relationship. So you want to share anything else last में? आपको कैसे लगा अभी जो?
This is an awesome experience for me, as it was the first time I said before also. So it is like I got to know so many different people around, and the veteran artists also. वो जो artist होते हैं उन लोग उधर पहुँचे हैं तो कुछ करके पहुँचे हैं, achievements किया उन्होंने, and they are also like normal human being like us. ऐसा नहीं है करके अरे बाबा उनसे, they are so friendly. So it is like you just keep on doing your stuff, whatever field you are into, and just have faith on yourself. Just don't, अगर नहीं हो रहा है 2 साल हो गए, 4 साल हो गए, 10 साल भी हो गए, जब अपना टाइम आएगा तब आएगा. It's just that way.
And I've also suggested to Amrita as a friend that she needs to leave her paintings in Delhi. And she said, कहाँ रखूँगी? तो मैंने कहा either Smita will organize for you. If she doesn't have space or have space, and जरूरी नहीं है कि मतलब because you'll have so many paintings back in Bombay. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि आप ये भी लेके जाएंगे.
हाँ, so that's what I mean. Because of this
January में इनका दूसरा शो हो रहा है, फिर उसमें you will get more,
Because of this exhibition, I mean, we put across on media our coverage.
Yes.
उसके वजह से मुझे दूसरी जगह recognition भी मिला, and I got orders also for paintings.
Right.
Like some of my paintings have been recognized by film fraternity also, like Manish Malhotra and Arya Babba. They have nominated my paintings as well. So it is like social media जो आजकल online है, वो बहुत आगे, तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो, उसके sky's the limit.
Yesterday night, after I left from here, so I didn't come here. Yesterday I was around this area. Smita told me कि आज जरूरत नहीं है आपका, आप कल आ जाइए. I went home. Then I went for the member of parliament Manoj Tiwari ji. He's a Bhojpuri actor. Bombay से है. So he had invited the media yesterday for Diwali. And I had missed him, all my friends have gone, मेरे को dessert करके चले गए थे. मैं एक अवार्ड सेरेमनी अटेंड कर रहा था, उसमें हम लोग कवरेज कुछ कर रहे थे, उन्होंने फिर मेरे को स्टेज पे बुलाया, बोला. मैं जब मनोज तिवारी जी के गया तो I met some person, we were not journalists, there was some artist. तो उनका जो था कि वो बोले कि मैं बॉम्बे से, मैंने उनको इनवाइट किया है.
Okay.
He's from Bombay, Delhi both, He does Govinda, Prem Chopra, and so many names he told me. Then even Manoj Tiwari ji को भी मैंने थोड़ा सा indicate किया था, but उनको ज़्यादा नहीं बोल पाया because that was very late hours. So maybe we can do it again. So that's fine. So now what have you taken the decision? January में आ रहे हैं आप?
Let's see because बहुत सारी चीजें हैं.
भाई साहब,
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Let's see जनवरी में आना होगा कि नहीं होगा. But I will definitely try क्योंकि वो टाइम पे मेरे बेटे का स्कूल भी रहेगा.
Win absentia भी होता है.
Yes, I have to
Tushar will
do what many things.
also organize you in your absentia.
Absence.
You don't need to be present.
Yeah, I know
you
that.
can have confidence in that, you know.
But if you are present, there is a different feeling with your paintings.
Yes.
तो इसके लिए थोड़ा सा ये है करके होना चाहिए. But nevertheless, अगर होगा तो definitely.
So today Amrita was actually, she took I think 3-4 days to prepare for this interview, which was very simple. I think there was nothing technical. हमारा इंटरव्यू में होता नहीं है. We are not prepared. हम लोग को कोई बैक ऑफिस से बना के दे नहीं रहा है कि you have to grill the person, you know. उसका लेफ्ट राइट करके उसको एकदम नर्वस करना है, ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ ना.
नहीं उसके
he didn't feel scripted.
Yeah, it feels scripted. So that is the best thing. So we welcome you to our capital and thank you so much for the family. Thanks. And this boy is good, you know. So take you around to Delhi today. Come. You want to go?
Yes.
Yeah, we go to the club, National Sports Club.
We are going to Army Club.
You can do Army Club?
Yeah.
You can come tomorrow to the National Sports Club. We have one in Bombay, na?
Yes.
Only.
Yes.
So I
And it's
remember, yes. Tomorrow, lunch or dinner, whatever. Thanks.
Sure. Thank you so much.